integers exercise 1.1 question number 1 to 6. Now today we are moving for question number 7 onwards. Before starting today's session, let's do little more physical and mental exercise. You can take it thumb impressions, thumb, fingers exercise every day, because nowadays you are using the mobile and mobile will stuck your fingers. Yes, my dear friend, here is the exercise. Yes, your little boy is here. Good. Let's move to the question number 7, exercise 1.1. Yes, this is the question number 7 in your screen. This is 6th number question we already completed. 7 numbers questions is here. See this question. Very good question is given. Are you playing a puzzles or not? In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Two magic squares are given. This is the first one and this is the second one. Let's check first one. First of all, understand what is the row. Row means a horizontal lines. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. These are called the rows. And whatever the vertical lines, these numbers are known as columns. So in this square there are columns. Understood? Yes. And cross line, these 3 numbers and these 3 numbers are known as diagonal. Understood? Clear? See, if you have doubt, once again I revised. Let's check. These numbers are there. We have to add all the way. First we can add these 3 numbers. So what are the numbers? 5, minus 1, minus 4. Add minus minus plus plus number together. Minus minus 1 minus 4. So we can write here 5 minus 5 and it will give me a 0. Why it's a minus 5? Because we should have to add this both number. This both number have a negative sign. Negative sign means add up and sign is remain as it is. Good. Now first row is a minus 5 and plus 5. It gives me a 0. Second column, you just check it. Minus 5, minus 2 and 7. What about this one? Yes, you are very fast than me. Minus 5 minus 2 will also give us a minus 7. And minus 7 plus 7, that gives a 0. Suppose you have 10 rupees and you purchased a wafer packet. You give 10 rupees to shopkeeper. Now, how many rupees with you? 0. Okay? Good. Now, see the answers. Taking rows. 3 rows are there. In first question only we are discussing. Student, be careful. Taking rows. 3 rows are there. First row's answer is 5. Second also 0. 5 minus 5 0. 7 minus 7 0. Third 0 plus 3 minus 3. We are putting minus number in bracket for our easiness. Students, you are knowing these things. Why we are using the negative numbers in bracket? Because it is very easy to understand what is the things is going on. Yes, you can see the big numbers here, 5, and minus number is shown in bracket. Minus 4 also is shown in bracket. These both numbers will be add up. Let's give me a minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Yes. Now we are discussing about this third one. 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. This is a multiplication, students. Plus into minus, that gives a minus. So 3 in minus 3 will give me 0. Sorry. Now about the columns. Columns means, students, I will represent here straight line. Can you see here straight lines? Yes, these three number, one column, second column, third column. Okay, we should have to add. Directly you can give the answer. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 3 plus 3. That is also 0, student. 4 minus 7. That's a 3. 3 minus 3. That is also 0. Yes. So here rows also zeros. Columns also 0. Now we should have to check these three numbers. Diagonal 1. Let's check. Diagonal 1 is a what? And add up. 0 plus minus 2 will give minus 2 and minus 4. So minus 2 minus 4, minus 6 is the answer. What about this diagonal, students? Yes, minus 2 and minus 3 will give me a minus 5, and this is a plus 5, gives the answer 0. So magic square has a rule, all columns, all rows and all diagonals should have equal answer. सेम आंसर आना चाहिए बेटा. इसमें तो एक में क्या आ गया बेटा? -6 आ गया. तो this is not a magic square. This is not a magic square. Now look at the second square. 9 numbers are written. These are the rows, these are the columns, and these are the diagonals. Let's check. Without showing answer, I will show you. You can try yourself, students. See, we can start from first number, rows side. 1 minus 10, that gives me a minus 9. Yes, very good answer, student. Now all three numbers are minus, negative. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, minus 9. Yes. Now 6 plus 4, that gives me a minus 2. And then minus 7 will give me a minus 9. Here is also minus 9. So 3 answer I got it. Now what about the column side? 1 minus 4, that gives me a minus 3. And minus 6, this gives me a minus 9. Minus 10, minus 3, minus 13, plus 4, that means gives me a minus 9. Minus 13 में से 4 गया बेटा. Yes, minus 9. Now 0 plus minus 2 gives me a minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7, that's minus 9. Oh, some students are saying, sir, you are moving very fast. But it's a magic. Maths is a magic, and these types of sums you have to do very fast. You are the student of 7th standard. Yes. Now look about these three numbers, student. 1 minus 3. Yes, that's a minus 2. And then minus 7 will give me a minus 9. Yes, minus 9. Now what about these three numbers, students? Minus 6, minus 3 and 0. Oh, it is also minus 9. So all answers are minus 9. So we can say this is a magic square. So number arrangement is like this way, will make you a magic square. Understood? Yes, very good. So you clarify these questions very easily this box is not a magic square for first one is written here because one time it's a -6, but now square 2 is a magic square. This box is a magic square because all the sums are -9, -9, -9, -9, -9, -9, -9. Over? Confident? Easy, na? Yes. Now we are moving for the next question. Question number student 8. Simple. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the following value of a and b. One number question. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 18. Let's check the answer for first one. Sorry. What the things are given? Yes, a is equal to 2, 21 and b is equal to 18. Sorry students, I said by mistake that mobile was fell down. I really apologize and you understood the position. Okay, a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18. And we have two sides, left side and right side, and between is equal to sign. Equation. We can check out both the side. LHS. LHS means left hand side. Left hand side. Where is my left hand? Yes. Here I am standing. My left hand is this one. Yes. This is my right hand. Is it? So this is my right side. This is my left side. This is left side. This is right side. And in between there is a is equal to sign. Understood students? What I am trying to explain? This is a left side. This is the right side. In between there is a is equal to sign. Yes, like this way. This is my left hand, my face, and this is my right hand side. Okay. Let's move further. So left hand side is a minus b into minus b. A minus b. What is the value of a? Yes, just put the value of a. Student, don't afraid here. So many are confusing. What is the value is given for a? Yes, 21. What is the sign is here? Minus. So I put here minus. Now what is the value in brackets? First minus sign, and b's value is 18 is given in our first question. So minus into minus, this our relation is minus sign. Minus into minus will give me a plus sign. Remember the table ande ka fanda. There is a plus into plus will give me a plus sign, plus answer. Whenever minus into one plus number will give me a minus sign, or ulta, plus into minus, that also gives me a minus. Or remember one thing, whenever the both number have equal sign, multiplication always comes in plus, positive number. Good. So here is answer 21 plus 18 will give me a 39. This is my left hand side, 39 beta. Now what about the RHS? Will you give me any answer? RHS, the value of the substituting or putting value in RHS. A plus B is given in RHS. So equation is given A plus B. A ka value student 21 or B ka value we have how much? Yes student? 18. Correction is there. This is the 18. Okay. 21 plus 18. What will be the answer? 39. In left side how much the answer? 39. So both are equal. So we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's proved. In second example, A is equal to you can take 118 and B is equal to you can take 125. Left hand side is this much. Put the value. and right hand side you can put the value and check out yourself. Will you do yourself? Both time you will get a 243 answer, students. So here also it is satisfied. So each and every case having the same answers, left hand side and right hand side. Okay student, for third and fourth also you can check out. Always you find the same value and just in mathematical symbol write down LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The answer remain the same. Okay, good. Now we will move for our 10th question. 10th question is here. Very interesting question here, student. Picture you cannot see in textbook also, it is like given. Yes, what is the picture of this one? Can you see big size? Yeah. Monkey. And monkey is jumping somewhere. Yes, in staircase. And in our question also, this type's question they will not ask us. Just for fun, it is shown us. So then don't take it is serious this question. This one type of game. Understood? Ready? Then only I will move for this question. चलो खेलना है ना, एक बार खेल लेते हैं, बराबर. चलो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया बेटा? ए वाटर टैंक है, स्टेप्स इनसाइड इट, ए मंकी इज सिटिंग ऑन द टॉप मोस्ट स्टेप. ये पानी की टंकी है, उसके कुछ स्टेप से पानी अंदर है और मंकी ऊपर के स्टेप पे बैठा है. दैट मीन्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप पे बैठा है. देखो मंकी बैठ रहा है, कभी मैंने तो नहीं सुना. Yes, let's see. This is a mathematics. The water level is at the 9th step. Which step? 9th step पे है. Students, see, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9th step. Monkey is sitting over here. First step पे. वहां से जंप करके जाएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9. अरे मनोज सर हिंदी में स्टार्ट हो गई. सॉरी स्टूडेंट, फॉर योर betterment I use the language Hindi. Then after here is the water, and there are some more steps are there. Okay students, but we forget about this one. You got the idea what I am telling to you? Yes, if you want to take the water, you should have to get down 9 step. Okay, but monkey is not going like us. Yes, monkey is jumping and randomly jumping, sometimes 3 steps, sometimes 4 steps, sometimes 1 steps. Yes, big hoopa hoop. Yes, let's check the first question. He jumps 3 steps down. What he is doing, students? 3 steps down, नीचे, and then jumps back 2 step up. वो बाद में 2 स्टेप ऊपर चला जाता है. खेलने का है, जंपिंग करने का है. कराता हूं मैं आपको. In how many steps, how many jumps will he reach the water level? ओ ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ वाला है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कुछ. आपको समझाओ तो उसको क्या करना है. पहले 3 स्टेप नीचे आएगा, 1, 2 और 3. वो इधर जंप करके आ गया. Now what he will do? He has to do 2 step back, 1 and 2. So he will jump, come back to here. पहले जंप लगा के कहाँ पहुंचा वो? 3 पे. फिर बाद में क्या किया? उल्टा ऊपर गया, नीचे की जगह ऊपर गया. कितना? 2. बेटा आई एम यूजिंग दिस हिंदी गुजराती फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंड. समझ में आ रहा है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना? नहीं, यस, नहीं आना चाहिए. आगे देखने का है. क्या बोले कि उसको कहां तक जाने का है? इधर जब वाटर पड़ा है 9 स्टेप पे, वहां तक पहुंचने का है. ऐसे पहुंचेगा. फिर क्या करेगा? इधर से वो 3 स्टेप जंप करेगा. तो कौन से स्टेप पे पहुंचेगा बेटा? 4th स्टेप पे. तो वो 4 पे खड़ा नहीं रहेगा, वहां से टर्न जंप लगाएगा और बाद में 2 नंबर पे आएगा। नाउ लिटिल ये आइडिया यू आर हैविंग। फिर 2 से कहा 3 जंप लगाएगा, कहाँ पहुंचेगा स्टूडेंट? 5 नंबर के स्टेप पे पहुंच जाएगा, 5 नंबर पे खड़ा नहीं रहेगा। अगेन ही विल रीच बैक टू 2 स्टेप बैक, दैट मीन्स इट विल रीच एट द 3 नंबर स्टेप्स। लाइक दिस वे इज जंपिंग एंड डूइंग, जंपिंग एंड डूइंग। नाउ लेट्स सी द आंसर। आपको थोड़ा समझ में, इसके लिए आंसर मैं सिखा दूं आपको। स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर इज हियर। Number line, number line you can use, it will show you very clearly where it is. Here are the steps in a vertical, not but horizontal way. See, first step is here and 9th step is here. What he is doing, students? He has to jump 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Jumps here. वहां से वो कहाँ जाएगा? 2 स्टेप बैक में जाएगा। तो देखो बैक में इधर आ गया। दूसरी बार एक जंप हुआ, जंप नंबर 1, जंप नंबर 2। नाउ अगेन ही विल जंप फ्रॉम हियर टू 3 स्टेप हियर, विल रीच ऑन स्टेप नंबर 5। दिस इज जंप नंबर 3। नाउ अगेन ही जंप हियर, जंप नंबर 4। नाउ फ्रॉम हियर ही जंप्स 3 steps, reach up to the 6th number step. From 6 to he reach up to the 4th one. इधर पहुंचा स्टूडेंट। फिर इधर से कहाँ जंप किया स्टूडेंट? इधर किया। 7 नंबर पे पहुंचा बेटा। ये जंप हुआ मेरा। काउंट करना और देखो कितना काउंट होता है मुझे बताना बाद में। ओके, यस। देन आफ्टर ही रीच अप टू हियर, काउंट इट 0, काउंट इट हियर टू देयर। सी हियर यू कैन फाइंड आउट। नाउ हियर टू हियर, 9 स्टेप पे पहुंच गया। बट ऐसे नहीं पहुंचेगा स्टूडेंट। पहुंच गया? नो, हियर है स्टूडेंट, बाय मिस्टेक आई टुक इट। मेरा जंप वो ने ज्यादा एक लगा दिया। इधर से इधर जाने का है उसको पहले। चलो आ गया बेटा। यस, इधर से कहाँ गया बेटा? वो इधर आ गया। जंप्स हियर, इधर से वो जंप लगा के इधर आएगा। अभी 9 स्टेप इधर मिला। यस। How many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 जंप के बाद वो पहुंचेगा। देखो मैंने राउंड किया ना, वो सब गिनने का बेटा। यस, यस एंड यस। Now we have a clear idea. See our answer is right or wrong. Up to the 10th jump, he will reach at 6th step. और 6 से 3 का जंप लगाएगा तो 9। सी 11th जंप के बाद he reached up to the 9th step. So he will reach 9th step in 11 jumps. Using the number line, I proved it. How many jumps he did? You can write it here like this way. Okay. Now second question is also there in different way. Jump back, jump back. पाछी तो आना पड़ेगा ना, पानी तो पी लिया उसने। बुलाने का रहना क्या उधर, उसको बुला लेते हैं। तो उसका भी एक रूल था, क्वेश्चन में देख लो। तो 2 नंबर का दिया होगा आपको क्वेश्चन में। हाँ बेटा देखो क्वेश्चन चला गया था, मैं वापस लेके आता हूँ क्वेश्चन को। चलो आजा क्वेश्चन मंकी। यस, 2 नंबर इज हियर। सी, if the number of steps moved down is represented by, sorry, that's a third one. Second one, after drinking water, he wants to go back for this. He jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to top step? अच्छा बुला ना, चलो बुला लेते उसको। इन तीसरा भी है, प्लस और माइनस के लिए बुला लेते थे। उसका भी आंसर मैं दे दूंगा एट लास्ट। सी, उसको वापस बुलाते हैं स्टूडेंट, बट जंपिंग इज नाउ डिफरेंट वे। हाँ, ये मेरा 2 नंबर और 3 नंबर साथ में ले लेता हूँ, तो आपको ज्यादा समझ में आ जाएगा। उसको वापस बुला लेते बेटा। पहला जंप लगाया उसने, फर्स्ट जंप। ये फर्स्ट जंप मेरा हुआ, 4 स्टेप लगाया, 1, 2, 3 और 4 जंप लगा के इधर पहुंच गया। बाद में क्या किया, 2 जंप बैक में गया, ये दूसरा जंप लगाया उसने। अच्छा, इधर से भी किधर गया, 4 जंप लगा के इधर आ गया बेटा, बराबर है। कितने स्टेप में वो पहुंच जाएगा, जल्दी पहुंचेगा या देर पहुंचेगा? यस, इन सम 8 ही रिप्रेजेंट गोइंग बाय 8 स्टेप ओनली। पहले में 11 था, इसमें 8 स्टेप में वापस आ गया स्टूडेंट्स। और वी आर नोइंग हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट, नो सॉरी, 5th स्टेप में वापस आ गया। सॉरी स्टूडेंट, सॉरी वंस अगेन, दैट्स द थर्ड आंसर आई गिवन डायरेक्टली। So in the 5th steps he reached back to the first step. Now third answer is here, plus minus करके दिखाया स्टूडेंट उसको, 3 plus 3 2 plus 2 minus 3 like this way. A and B both are there and answer is 8 steps. Okay, good. So here we are going to complete our exercise number 1.1, question number up to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you understood and try to write yourself first, then after writing your fair book. Take care, be safe, bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.